Hello fans, in this video, we're unveiling 13 must-have travel gadgets that every adventurer needs. From smart packing solutions to tech that keeps you connected on the go, these gadgets are designed to make your trip smoother, more organized, and way more fun. So let's jump right in with number 1. First up, the JBL Clip 3A tiny speaker that packs a serious punch. It's built for the outdoors with a carabiner clip that attaches effortlessly to your backpack, bike, or even your belt loop. Don't let its small size fool you. And since it's IPX7 waterproof, you don't have to worry about rain splashes or accidental dips in the pool. Plus, with a 10-hour battery life, the music doesn't stop until you do. This baby delivers powerful, crisp sound wherever you go. Now let's talk about hydration with the LARQ water bottle. This isn't your average water bottle. It's like the James Bond of hydration gear. That's right, every sip is clean and fresh, no matter where you are. Gym, trails, or a busy day in the city. It also purifies your water using UVC light. Not only does it keep your drinks hot or cold for up to 12 hours, this bottle has you covered. Bonus, it even cleans itself. Ever wanted to shoot pro-level videos without being a tech wizard? Well, the Aokuon Smart XE gimbal makes it possible. It's designed for absolute beginners. Seriously, you can master it in 30 minutes. This compact gadget stabilizes your phone for smooth cinematic shots, making it perfect for vlogs, TikToks, or capturing epic travel moments. And with its user-friendly design, you'll spend less time fiddling and more time filming. Speaking of epic shots, the Insta360 X4 Camera is here to blow your mind. With 8K resolution, it captures every detail in jaw-dropping clarity. Whether you're hiking through stunning landscapes or recording action-packed adventures, this camera makes your footage look next level. And don't worry about shaky hands, its advanced stabilization has you covered. Compact, durable, and ridiculously cool. This is a must-have for content creators or anyone who loves reliving their trips in style. Camping is great, but let's be honest, it can be disturbing without some comfort. That's where cushy camper gear comes in. Think ergonomic chairs, plush sleeping pads, and cozy blankets that make your outdoor adventures feel like a luxury retreat. Lightweight and built to handle the elements. This gear lets you focus on the fun without sacrificing comfort. Whether it's a weekend in the woods or a starry night by the fire, cushy camper gear makes every moment better. For adventurers and fitness lovers, Garmin's fēnix 7 Pro and Epix Pro smartwatches are game changers. The fēnix 7 Pro features solar charging that keeps it powered even in remote locations. In contrast, the Epix Pro boasts a crisp and vibrant AMOLED display that performs well in any lighting condition. These durable watches are designed to withstand the challenges of your active lifestyle. Just like you can track your hikes, runs, swims, and essentially anything you do while remaining stylish and connected. Running out of battery when you're on the go? Not with this solar charger in your pack. It's lightweight, weather-resistant, perfect for camping, hiking, or anytime you're off the grid. With this, you'll never miss a shot or lose connection when it matters most. Powerful enough to charge 3 devices at once. Phones, cameras, tablets, you name it. Wrinkled clothes while traveling can be a hassle, but the Newbealer travel iron is here to help. Compact and lightweight, this travel iron is easy to pack and perfect for freshening up your wardrobe on the go. With adjustable heat settings for various fabrics and dual voltage for international use, it's designed for convenience. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, allowing you to effortlessly smooth out wrinkles. Let's take things to the skies with the Potensic Atom drone. This drone is designed for both beginners and seasoned pilots. With its compact, foldable design, the Potensic Atom is incredibly portable, making it perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage anywhere you go. Equipped with advanced features like 4K HD camera quality, intelligent flight modes, and long-lasting battery life, this drone delivers smooth cinematic shots with ease. the Potensic Atom Highlights Unfolded offers exceptional performance, stability, and convenience. Elevate your flying experience and capture breathtaking moments from above with this versatile and powerful drone. Imagine a warm fire, great company, and no smoke to spoil the moment. That's what the Solo Stove Bonfire offers. Ideal for camping trips and outdoor gatherings, this smokeless fire pit features a sleek, durable stainless steel design and advanced airflow technology for a virtually smokeless flame. Enjoy warmth and ambience without the hassle of smoke, and cleanup is a breeze. Whether roasting marshmallows or sharing stories, the Bonfire makes fireside moments unforgettable. This little powerhouse is like having a personal charging station in your pocket. And if you got a long trip ahead, no worries. This sleek, compact gadget can keep your devices alive for up to 10 days on a single charge. From your phone to your laptop to your headphones, it handles them all like a pro. And did we mention it's lightweight and travel-friendly? Toss it in your bag and you're good to go. The INIU Power Nova has your back, keeping you powered up and connected without breaking a sweat. Get ready to level up your gaming with the Nintendo Switch OLED model. This beauty is a must-have for gamers on the go. The vibrant 7-inch screen offers bright, immersive visuals, while enhanced audio elevates your gameplay experience. The wider kickstand allows for a versatile setup, perfect for solo or multiplayer sessions. Portable gaming just got upgraded, and you're going to love it. Finally, we've got this mini cooling fan that will let you stay cool and comfortable. Just add water and it transforms into a mini cooling system, giving you a refreshing breeze of cold air in no time. It's the perfect companion for a busy day at work, long study sessions, or those unbearably hot summer afternoons, even though it's winter right now. But trust me, it's the kind of gadget you'll be thankful to have ready when the warmer days arrive. Compact, portable, and super easy to use. Why wait for summer? Get yours today and stay prepared for the heat. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos featuring the coolest gadgets.